So we are going to study about logarithmic differentiation, and before going into the depth of the topic, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, so kindly subscribe the channel so that you can get the updated videos. So the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. It means that if here x is written, you can see that the derivative is 1 over x. But what if the derivative of any other function like u is written? So what is u? U can be any function but not especially 1x to the power 1. So it can be 2x, it can be sine x, it can be x square, it can be x plus 1, it can be anything but not exactly x. So the derivative will be 1 over u and times u prime. So let's see the example of this one. For example, if I have ln of x square plus 2x plus 3. So how can we take the derivative? The derivative will be 1 over u. So this whole thing which is written after the ln will be u. So the answer is 1 over u. So 1 over x square plus 2x plus 3 as it is, and u prime. It means you will write the x square plus 2x plus 3 as it is with the prime. It means take the derivative of that one. Now x square plus 2x plus 3 with written. Now take the derivative. X power 2, x square, the derivative is 2x plus derivative of 2x is 2 and derivative of 3 is 1. 3 is 0. So this is the way how we take the derivative of any function. For example, let's solve some of the examples related with the logarithm. So for example, if it is written ln of x square minus 9x plus 4, then anything which is written after the ln is your u. So formula of ln of u is 1 over u times u prime. So you will write y prime equals 1 over, this is written u. So u will be x square minus 9x plus 4, and u prime, it means x square minus 9x plus 4 with the prime. Now complete the question, that means x square minus 9x plus 4 with 1 over, and the derivative of x square, apply the power rule, you will get 2x minus derivative of 9x is 9 and derivative of 4 is 0, so no need to write. Now what will happen if we have y equals to ln of, let's suppose x cube minus 9x square plus 8x minus 7. So again, anything written after the ln is your u. So you will get y prime equals to 1 over u. For the u, you will write the whole equation, that is x cube minus 9x square plus 8x minus 7. And now take the derivative of u. So I am taking the derivative directly. So you will get 3x square minus here 9x square will change into 18x plus derivative of 8x is 8 and the derivative of 7 is 0. Now understand few of the important things. Remember the properties of logarithm. Now if the log a times b is written, so you can write it as log of a plus log of b. Whatever the base is written, you have to write the same base here. Now, if you have log of a over b, then it will be equals to log of a minus log of b. Now, if log a to the power p is written, so you have to bring the power p before the log and then a. So these are the basic properties of log. Now, if log is written, you will write log. If natural log is written, you will write the natural log, and all the properties stay the same. So if ln is written, you will write ln everywhere. If log is written, you will write log everywhere. So why I remind you all these properties? Because if we have a question y equals to ln, square root of x square minus 2x plus 6. So first of all, before taking the derivative, write this question in the simplest form. How? Write the ln as it is. Whenever you have square root, you just change it into the power. So the power of this radical square root is half. Now look at the third property of log, that is if ln a to the power p is written, so it can be written as p ln of a. So it means, can I write it half, bring this it before the ln, that will gives you half ln and x square minus 2x plus 6. And why I did? I did this to take the derivative in the simplest form. So this half is a constant, and here you can use the constant multiple rule. That means write the half as it is and take the derivative of ln of u. So the derivative of ln u is 1 over u, and here in your case your u is x square minus 2x plus 6, and then write the derivative of x square minus 2x plus 6. So now you will get in the simpler form here half x square minus 2x plus 6, and the derivative of x square is 2x minus derivative of 2x is 2. Now the first thing is that here 2x minus 2, you can take the common 2 and cancel that common with this 2. So either do it like that or just stop it over here. Let's try to solve such kind of the question one more time. So here if you have ln y equals to ln of cubic root of x cube minus 9x square plus 6x minus 8. So what you will do, first of all, arrange it. Arrange in a way that cubic root can also be written as the power of 1 over 3. Now, using the properties of the logarithm, bring the power before the ln, and still you are writing only y. So it will be written as 1 over 3 ln of x cube minus 9x square plus 6x minus 8. Now take the derivative by using the constant multiple along with the logarithmic formula. So 1 over 3 stay as it is, and this whole thing is your u. So here you apply the formula 1 over u prime. So 1 over u is x cube minus 9x square plus 6x minus 8, and u prime x cube minus 9x square plus 6x minus 8 with prime. Now complete this. So 1 over 3, write x cube minus 9x square plus 6x minus 8. No need to open the brackets. Times, take the derivative using the power rule and the constant multiple rule. So it will give you 3x square minus 18x plus 6. Now you can take the common also. Here the common is 3. So you take the common 3. What is left? Here x square, and we know 6 times 3 is 18. 3 is outside, so left 6x. And we know that 3 times 2 is 6, so 3 is outside, so left in the bracket is 2. And here we wrote as it is x cube minus 9x square plus 6x minus 8. And why I did this? To cancel this 3 by this 3. So I will get x square minus 6x plus 2 in the numerator, and in the denominator x cube minus 9x square plus 6x minus 8. So this is the way we solve simple logarithmic functions. Sometimes some complex functions are written, so try to understand those questions also. Like for example, if it is written ln of x squared plus 2x minus 8, and this whole thing is written under the square root. So what you will do, whenever you see the square root, of course you have to write it first in the form of power minus 8, power half. Now look at the question, analyze what form of the question is written. There is a bracket, and outside the bracket there is a power. So whenever such functions are written, of course they are known as the composite functions. containing the inner function and the outer function. So here the outer function is your power. So here we apply the power rule. So and along with the chain rule. Okay, so bring the half before the function half. Whatever written in the bracket, you have to write it as it is. From the power we minus 1, so you will get negative half, and then write the bracket as it is with the prime because we are going to take the derivative of this function. Now in the first term, there is no prime, so just copy down as it is. Just copy down as it is. Now after that, here ln of some equation, ln of u is written. So here you are going to apply the formula ln u, which is equals to 1 over u prime. So you will write 1 over u. So u is x squared plus 2x minus 8. And u prime is x squared plus 2x minus 8 with the prime. Now write it down. Half ln of x squared plus 2x minus 8 whole power negative half, and then 1 over x squared plus 2x minus 8, and take the derivative on the top. So x squared derivative is 2x plus derivative of 2x is 2. Now you can take the common 2 in order to cancel that 2 with this denominator. So you will get ln of x squared plus 2x minus 8 whole to the power negative half. Write down the 2 down, and here take the common 2. So if we take the common 2, you will be left with x plus 1 divided by as it is, that is x squared plus 2x minus 8. Now 2 will be cancelled with this 2. Now write them in the proper way. Write ln x squared plus 2x minus 8 whole to the power negative half, and this x plus 1 and divided by x squared plus 2x minus 8. So this is your complete answer. Let's solve an example. F of x equals to ln of 3x plus 5. So it is so easy because this is your u, and we know that ln of u is equals to 1 over u prime. So just write f prime of x equals to 1 over u is 3x plus 5 and 3x plus 5 with whole. So derivative of 3x is 3, derivative of 5 is 0, and in the denominator you will get 3x plus 5. Now here look at the question. There is something in the numerator and some function in the denominator. So of course you will apply the quotient rule, according to which gf prime minus fg prime over g square. So let's try j prime x equals to. Here g is your x, f prime it means ln x with prime, minus f that is ln of x, and g prime it means x with the prime, and g square you will get x square. X derivative of ln x we already have studied that it is equals to 1 over x. So here 1 over x minus ln x, and derivative of x is 1 over x square. Now this x will cancel with this x. So you will get 1 minus ln x times 1 will gives you ln x divided by x square. Now the question is ln of cos square x. So here first of all ln is written in the first place. So ln of u formula is 1 over u and u prime. So your u is cos square x. So we will write 1 over cos square x and then cos square x with prime. Now this cos square x is a composite function. So we are going to apply the chain rule here. So for the chain rule, we know that we bring the power in the shoulder. So we will get 2 cos x, and the inner function is cos x. So it will be with prime. So 2 cos x Derivative of cos x is negative sin x, and here we will have cos square x. Now cos square x and cos x cancel, so the simple answer is minus 2 sin x over cos x. Now sin x over cos x is equals to tangent x. So final answer is minus 2 tangent